We'll guide you through how to factory reset a MacBook Air. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're planning on selling your MacBook Air, or you're giving it away, or you just want a fresh start, and so you want to go and factory reset it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So when it's complete, it's going to be like when it was first from the factory, ready to go and be set up again. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Just remember, doing this is going to delete everything. So all your files, photos, media, all of it's going to be gone. So you may want to consider connecting an external drive and putting your important stuff on there, or going and uploading it somewhere online so you can go and access it again in the future. But when you're ready to go and start the process, let's come to the bottom bar and find the option for System Settings and click there to open it up. Next, come over to the left and you want to go and find the option for General. And then you want to go and scroll down here on the right, and we need to go and find the option for Transfer or Reset. And you want to go and click there like so. Now here it says erase all content and settings. So to go and start the process, we'll need to go and click there like so. Now we'll need to go and enter in the password. And you can go and press unlock. So here it's saying about using the Time Machine backup, so we can go and have a backup before resetting it, as everything is going to be deleted. Then what you can do is go and press continue. Understand that all settings, media, or data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased, so different users as well as yourself. If you're sure, press continue. And then what you need to do is you need to go and enter the password for the Apple account on here, just to go and sign it all out. So enter it in and you continue with the process. And when you go and finish it, you're going to go and have a factory reset MacBook Air. You could then go and sell it or go and keep it for yourself and set it up again. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Feel free to leave any video suggestions down below as well. I look forward to help you again soon. Have a great day. I'll catch you again.